What is this? Rockstead? Never heard of it. No, I'm kidding. Join me for this unboxing and a nice look at this Grail knife. This is the Rockstead CHI folder. It's CHI. It's got a duraluminum handle. It opens very smoothly. Locks up securely. All in all, it's a beautiful knife. You know, it's in some ways this is pretty close to perfection, especially how they've done the edge and the geometry of this blade. It looks, I mean, pretty breathtaking. It does say made in Japan on that pocket clip. There you see the liner lock. Duraluminum is just a type of aluminum. You see the ample jimping there and the stepped thumb studs. There you see that tip. This is one of their Tanto models. A true mirror polish. You can see my Sony Handycam reflected there, HD. All in all, it's a very impressive blade. You can see the stylized groove and hole there. That is Stingray, and then you see the three grooves there. The Stingray inlay on the duraluminum. The blade itself, it just looks like, it just looks like fire that was made into steel. It looks like a river of light was forged into a blade. Now this is ZDP 189 hardened to 67 HRC, and then has special edge geometry and finish to make it stronger, so that even though it's hardened to such an extent, it's unlikely to chip. I will include a link to the cutting tests that this company has posted. They let's just say they cut a lot of rope, and the edge, it retains its sharpness phenomenally. Now that mirror finish is down to a microscopic level. They have a picture, and there are absolutely no irregularities on the edge, even down to a micro level. It's completely smooth. Now, overall, I'm very impressed with this blade. This thing, it is truly epic, and I hope you enjoyed seeing it.